Hey everybody, this is Hunter and thank you for tuning in to another little RV tour. Today we have the 2021 Vibe 26RK. It's a pretty awesome floor plan, jam-packed with a lot of features in a slightly smaller package. But yeah, I think you're definitely going to like it. And if you guys dig RV videos, make sure to like and subscribe. You guys have been awesome so far, and as always, comment if there's something that I can do better. But for those of you, just so that you know how my video is going to go, I'm going to jump straight onto the inside, and then afterward, I'm going to swing around the outside here for a couple minutes. But I definitely think you are going to like this camper. The Vibe has done a good job of kind of re-imaging themselves. They got this light, bright, beautiful interior. Sales are going up, and I think it's a large part due to their new decor. It's not quite as dark and dingy anymore. As you can see, I mean, the thing's beautiful on the inside, and a lot of campers are heading this way. But a little peek here gives you a nice little overview of the camper. But let's start up right here. 50-inch flat screen TV, nice shelf space. You got your indoor, outdoor speakers, so that way you can control it all from right here, whether you're going indoor or outdoor, with speaker zones 1 and 2. You can get the music bumping in here. Your 30-inch Furrion electric fireplace, which many of you know if you've watched my videos before. But just in case if you haven't, you're not familiar with it, that thing gets some really great heat. If it's 45 degrees out, that is going to be your only source of heat needed out in this area for sure. Some pretty good storage, an outlet there. To hook up a DVD or on the rainy days, maybe a PlayStation or something like that for the kids. This couch, it will pull out, goes out to about there, makes a good queen bed there for some additional sleeping. And also you have your dinette. Let me flip this around here. This dinette, it will drop down to make another bed. You drop the table, hangs right on those ledges right there. Put your cushions right into the middle. And you got a place for somebody to sleep. So even though it's a couple's coach, you're good to go with plenty of extra sleeping space. Big storage underneath, which they put these totes there. Nice little added touch. As we all know with campers, storage is always lacking. So something like that's definitely helpful. And it is the 26RK, so the rear kitchen is really the shining star of this camper. And, it does a really good job of utilizing its space, I think. Big stainless steel sink. These little rolly doodads to go across for your dryer. Plenty of storage. Let's open up a couple of these for you. Place for your trashola. It uses the Furrion oven, 3-burner top. Cook yourself up something nice. Big storage there underneath for all your little pots and pans and knickknacks. I love that Furrion, the 3-burner. These things get roasting. You can boil water in no time, which if you've been in a camper, you know how that can be a problem sometimes. Smaller microwave, but good enough. And I gotta love this storage, I must say. This is nice. But yeah, again, guys, make sure to comment if there's anything you'd like to see differently or have me talk about anything in a different light. You got some recliners there. Those things are comfy as can be. And they'll drop back to the point where you could probably sleep in them for a nap. Yeah. Big windows. Love the windows. That light can turn on. Actually, there's a little click button right here. So you're good to go, and you see just how wide and open these windows are. I absolutely love it. It'd be great if it was sitting next to a wooded area or somewhere with a good view. And at the night when you need a little privacy at the campground, you got your nightshade so you can block out, anybody that you don't want. Let's do one more peek here, and then I'm going to head over to the bathroom and the bedroom. Then we'll take a little spin-a-rooney outside. And if you guys like short versions, probably about a 30-second tick of these RVs, I do have a playlist called Shorts make sure to check that out. I do the same RVs that I do the long tours. I do like a 30 to 45 second version of it as well. That way you can do a nice little quick hit and see a whole bunch at once. Shower's a little bit bigger than normal. You got your toilet there. But I'm 6 foot, about 290 pounds there, and I could definitely fit in there real nice and easy. Hello, everybody. Make sure to email me at hunter@thervhunter.com if you guys are in the market. I would definitely appreciate it. Sold 2 campers today, so that's always a good feeling. It's off to a good month. It's only the 2nd, and I'm at 3, so that's always good feeling. Good storage there. Place for your CPAP machine. You got your outlets, USB ports, and then tucked away back in there, it's the same thing, USB ports and outlets. Now this camper's got 2 AC, so this one will just dump down just to the bedroom, and that's always nice. And check out this door. I always think these are pretty neat. Don't have to worry about it swinging and getting in the way. Nice hanging storage there. Want to do a little weekend getaway? Got all you need. And then you have larger space right in here. Now you can either make this a hanging rack or leave this in here for socks and boxers, all that good stuff, whatever you want to put. There is a light up there, which I did not put on, but I think you get the idea of a closet. So now I'm going to swing around the outside for a couple moments, and if this is where you guys head out, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe or drop a comment for me. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, like I was telling you where the speakers were in there for zone 1 and 2, this is one of the zones right there. Your outdoor speakers, those are weather treated, so you're good to go there. Nice awning. And right back here, you actually have a nice little compact exterior kitchen. Open this bad boy up for you. Nice sink. Little refrigerator for some brewskis. And this customer opted to go ahead and put on the Furrion observation camera. It comes with a 4.5-inch screen, the version that they got. And it's really nice because you can angle it down at your bumper or back at traffic for while you're switching lanes. That'll run you $550 installed. But I don't know about you guys, but I love the way this new Vibe's looking. I love that light, bright, exterior. Really big size slide out there. You can add a slide topper for 700 bones. And there are those windows here that you'll be peering out. And the blackout. Notice how you can't see anything going on in there. LEDs on the front, looking real nice. Power tongue jack. And these do have your electric stabilizing jacks on this one. You can go ahead and put the manual ones on there if you would like and just use a drill bit. But pass-through storage, look how nice that is. I'll give you one more look around here. But I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully I'll catch you next time.